China is a land of many ethnicities, each with their own reunion dinner customs that reflect local traditions. In northern China, dumplings are a traditional staple during reunion dinners. This moment not only marks a transition between one day and the next, but a transition from one year to the next. This is an important occasion for the Chinese, as it not only symbolizes good fortune in the year ahead, but also hopes for a better life and an unyielding spirit. Dumplings enjoyed by Beijingers during the reunion year are made from flour, a variety of vegetables, and fillings, making them a highly nutritious dish. Press steamed pumpkin into paste. Mince spinach and beet and blend into juice. Add 200 grams of flour to form flour balls of different colors. Cut fresh pork into small pieces. Mince Chinese cabbage and mushrooms. Add ginger paste, sesame oil, and add light soy sauce. Add onion oil, minced Chinese cabbage, and shelled shrimp. Stir using circular motions in the same direction until it resembles a paste. Knead the flour balls into round strips. Cut into flour balls of 8 grams each. Spread flour over the kneading surface. Wrap 15 grams of fillings to complete the process. Add the dumplings into the pot after the water boils. Cook in boiling water for 4 minutes. Rinse out and serve. Colorful dumplings, paired with lush green lava garlic cloves, as well as sauces in all sorts of flavors. Every bite is a rush of flavor.